Good morning, guys. Dan Kale here from Liquidation Pros, and I just wanted to do a quick video. I did get another pallet of Amazon. Actually, I got 5 pallets of Amazon returns in. I brought a whole pallet home using my I call it the big truck. It's basically a stake body flatbed that I can converted. But anyhow, good pile of mixed inventory. These are kind of like mystery boxes that I've been opening on YouTube, kind of showing you what I find. This is how it comes back to the house to be processed. A couple special things in this load. I got another pair of these Alpine Stars racing boots. I've already sold one of these for $325 plus shipping on eBay. And like I said, my cost for all this stuff's around 10%. This is a Honda Civic LED headlight replacement. Those go for like 150 bucks. And then this here is a completely portable fishing rod. So it comes in 3 pieces. It's actually, I checked it out just now. It looks like it's all good. I don't see any damage to it. And check that out. $250 value on that. So that's gonna be easily, I would say 150, 200 bucks plus shipping. And then a couple other things I've already looked at is these 3 boxes are all gun cases. So it says breakdown shotgun case. My guess on something like this, when you hit a lot of them, is that they got pulled from Amazon and they're no longer, like, maybe they're restricted. So I will have to be careful selling them on eBay, but there are some wording that you can put in the listing to keep yourself from getting in trouble. And then these are the mystery boxes. I have 2 huge ones. They were heavy as crap to go through. Those are going to be fun. And then these 2 small ones on this one and 2 small ones here. So 2 big ones were on the bottom, then these 4 were on top of that. And then all this mixed stuff was packed on top. Oh, there's also 2 more over here. So, sorry, 2, 4, 6 of the large boxes, 2 jumbo boxes, and then a bunch of mixed stuff. I haven't really dug into this yet. I did just open this box up just to kind of get an idea. Looks like a bunch of like grill covers, classic accessories, which is a brand, a cover brand. They could be fire pit covers, they could be grill covers. I don't know. I'll have to look up. There's a number on here you can look up and figure out what they are. But I'm sure they're brand new. There's a bunch of them. Look, there's by brand new, actually I mean like new. Everything here there's nothing brand new. It's all like new or open box. Here's what else we have. Let's see what this is. This is an exhaust, performance exhaust for just a muffler. Probably it's like universal Flowmaster Chamber 2 muffler. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a pile. This brand's pretty good. I've sold some of their stuff before. That looks like a DJ mixer. There's some filters. I mean, it's just so much stuff, guys. What is this? Go case. I'm not sure what a go case is. Here's a knife. A bent knife. That's probably not going to be worth a whole lot. Let's see what this is. Oh, nice. There's a fishing reel. These fishing reels have been selling really good for me. And look at that. It's in there. Bam. It's like a, they call that a bait caster fishing reel. A lot of these go anywhere from like 50 to, some of them I've sold, some of the bigger spinning reels I've sold for 200 bucks on eBay. So really good merchandise. Oh, there's another, oh, that's a Jeep Wrangler lighting set. This looks like some sort of seat frame for a car. I mean, just, guys, just so much stuff. Now this box that I've already, here's a couple of these. I just saw another one. Put down in there. Sorry for the camera work. It's kind of hard to do this outside, and it just started raining on me. There's another big knife. This is like a Buffalo Tools knife tool set. That looks brand new. So, anyhow, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy looking through this kind of stuff and see what you can find and what you can sell for and how you can make money doing it, make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button. And I have a playlist of unboxing videos where I'll go through in detail, show the items, how much I expect to get out of them, and about how much money I'm gonna make. For these types of boxes, on average, I'm paying around $80 to $100. When you add it all up, it ends up being about $1,000 per pallet. So for all this inventory here, I paid around $1,000. Oh, I did want to show one more thing. I was looking at this cold steel long handle. Check this out. It's a freaking, it is a samurai sword. This samurai sword, you guys see that? This thing is legit. I looked it up. I'll put a little posting. It goes for like $500. On eBay, the lowest price right now, I think is around $700. And it's brand new. There's no damage. It's still got the oil on it. I'm gonna safely put that away. Just these 3 items, 1, 2, 3 right here, pay for everything. I'll make enough money. I'll make my $1,000 there, assuming all of them sell. This one I didn't see any solds for, but I think if I price it right, it should go. And now, of course, it's starting to rain on me. So I'm gonna get this stuff inside, start processing it. I'll be making videos of unboxing these other boxes. You guys have kind of already seen a sneak peek of what's in that one. We'll go through and do a video series of each of these boxes and how much value is in each one. So appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.